Westermans here with a set of bending rolls which had just arrived. Working size is 2 meters by 25 millimeter. Machine is an old machine built in the 70s, and I believe construction is in Germany. The machine itself is running at the minute on a 63 amp supply. Machine weight on this is approximately 10 tonne. We can ship worldwide if required. I'll just do a little function test to make sure everything is as it should be. Rotation forwards, rotation reverse. You have a foot control. Up and down with the rolls. Down with the other side. Appears to be running as it should do. Machine could warrant a real good jet wash and clean down, but the machine's been sold as is. Like I say, more details can be found on westermans.com or email him welding@Westermans for more details. Thank you for looking.